Chicken shawarma. A day in a life delicious food. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious chicken shawarma. First we take a purpose flour in bowl. Now we will add yeast and salt to the hot water and leave it for 10 minutes and then mix it in the flour. Add egg. Mixed well. Add yogurt. Add geston flour. Add little bit oil. Leave it half hour. Now we take a boneless chicken. Add lemon. Add salt, ginger powder, garlic powder and dry fenugreek powder. Mixed well. Add oil and chicken in pan. Cooked well in medium flame. Make a shawarma sauces. Now we make a bread for shawarma. Make the shawarma bread in low flame. We will finely chop cucumber and onion. Now both red and white sauces will be applied on the shawarma bread. Put a chicken. Put the finely chopped onion and cucumber and add the work sauce on top of it. Now fold it and cut it in the middle. Ready for eat delicious chicken shawarma. Make at home delicious chicken shawarma. Thanks for watching.